what is up you guys, it's Gia. Welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to unbox and review everything. Yes, everything I bought this week. I know it sounds insane, everything I bought this week, but yes, it is true. Today I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I bought this week online. Well, not to mention my hair is on flake today. Well, if you guys haven't watched my previous video, here's the link. And it was my journey of getting hair this long from this short. So, you watch the previous video. Okay, without further ado, let's open up the first package. Well, this package is from Purple. I know the seal is broken because I couldn't resist myself from opening it. So the packaging is something like this. It has come in a bubble wrap, so let's open it up. Okay, so yeah, let's open this up. And the first thing is this. This is Alps Goodness Swizzle Sandalwood Face Wash. Well, this one is highly recommended. I mean, you guys, seriously, this works wonders. Well, it is written that it soothes acne, brightens skin complexion, helps restore moisture. Well, I don't have any acne, but it actually smoothens the skin and moisturizes. When I wash my face with this face wash, I really feel the difference. I mean, my skin is not dry anymore. It's so moisturized, hydrated, and it's just so glowing. I mean, this is highly recommended. You all should use this face wash. Okay, so next are these hair conditioners from Naturally. I mean, I haven't used them before. This is my first time, and it says that it has pollution defense conditioner, detoxifies and softens hair, green tea and avocado. These are paraben free and sulfate free. Well, let me smell this. Wow. Well, actually, these smells very amazing. It's literally, as the name says, naturally. The smell is very natural, you know. Some, how should I say, earthy smell. It has very earthy smell. Yep. And I guess this conditioner will work well on my hair. Actually, my hair are very dry. As though it doesn't look like that, but my hair are actually very dry. It says that it detoxifies and softens hair. Well, I hope this helps. Naturally, pollution. Okay, so the next thing is this teeny tiny deodorant roll-on. This is from XOXO. It says shower fresh 72-hour odor protection. Well, this is a must, I guess. Wow. This smells so refreshing. I mean, highly recommended. Highly recommended. Okay, so next is this Alps Goodness Swizzle Neem Purifying Face Scrub. This is face scrub. Comes like this. It has a little cap, and this is how it looks from the inside. Well, it doesn't really have that good smell. I mean, it's very light, but still not that. But it's a face scrub. It has granules, and it says that the user has to gently massage this face scrub across the face and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse away. Well, I haven't used this before because my skin is really sensitive. I mean, even if I do just a little bit of scrubbing on my face and my skin turns red and I get those red bumps on my face. I don't know why, but I guess using this scrub wouldn't do that to me. I mean, I have a feeling. So I'm gonna use this for sure. Okay, so the next product is these heels that I got from Street Style store. Well, we have this a little label here that says SSS, which means street style store, and it is, I guess, made of some leather kind of material, and it has this trending, square front. It has a lot of round edges, but still would work for me. Well, also it has this funky kind of triangular heel. If you see this from the bottom, it's a triangular heel. I mean, it looks kind of cute though, and I guess because this is way too thick, and I guess that it would, it would not make the feet hurt. This is the pair I bought from Street Style store. Oh my god, guys, just look at these beauties in the sun. Gorgeous, gorgeous, and absolutely freaking gorgeous. Anyway, so the next package is this one. Well, these are also heels. I bought them from Agio, so let's find out how they look like. Well, they come in these kind of package, what to say, this cloth kind of thingy, and when we open it, wow, okay, I'm having this paper for, I guess, the support. So let's remove it, and yes, we have this heel. It has almost medium length, like I can wear it every day, every single day, and it won't let my feet hurt. Plus the heel is very thick, and it's a good one for me. And we have this thin strap for the support, and we have this square front, which is trending. Well, this is also a little rounded, but it will work for me. Also, it has this supportive strap right here, plus a little tiny buckle with the strap. So yes, this is it. Alright, so we're again back with our beauties in the sun. Like, I'm in love with the way they glow in the sun, and honestly, brown people have no comparison. They're like literal gold bars when they're in sun. Okay, so the time for the next packaging, and it is again a pair of heels which I bought from Agio. Well, it's from the same company, Sneak a Peek, and now let's find out how they have come. So again, they have come in same kind of a packaging. Let me just open this, and yeah, we're again having this kind of paper for the support, plus it has this thick transparent heels. Well, it is good, and we have this nude kind of, it's a little velvety, and well, it's pretty good. And then we have this is a transparent strap, and it's kind of very long, like it is this long. I mean, and I think because of this, my feet won't hurt. It will give them great support, and I can wear them all day. Well, you guys, honestly, I don't even have words for this one. Like the way it sparkles in the sun. I mean, it's just amazing, and it may not look, but I'm feeling extremely comfortable while filming this. Like, whoa. Guys, so this was it, and I think both the heels have come very nice. I mean, they are classy, they are trending, the heels have the perfect size. I can wear them all day, and my feet won't hurt. So I recommend all of this to you guys. You can find the link to all the products down in the description box. And I guess this was all for today. I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff you always do. So, kisses till next time.